Hello, I'm James. I've been using CAD since 2005, and in this video I'll be teaching you the basics of CAD using Fusion 360. And the basics are to add geometry and subtract geometry to make the model that you desire. First of all, I'll add something by making a sketch. Add a rectangle. And we can dimension by either clicking D or clicking this on the toolbar. But I don't care about the dimensions for this. And then extrude to make a box, and I will be making a box with a hole in a slot. And to make a hole, I will make a sketch with a circle. And again, I don't care about adding dimensions. Extrude, and Fusion has an interesting property that you can extrude everything but the sketch that you made, or the sketch here. We'll also add geometry if you pull away, or subtract it if you pull down. And to make a slot, I will sketch on the side a rectangle. Extrude. And to make it a box, I will shell it out. And I need to shell this, this, and this to get what I want, which is, I need to add a dimension. Which is to have something looking like this. But there are many ways to skin a cat, as they say, and I think that this second way is generally faster for making something like this. I'll instead make a profile and just put a groove right in the profile. Finish sketch and extrude. And also another way to add a hole is to just use the hole feature. Oops. I keep forgetting that, and I want to go a little bit deeper all the way through. And if I want to add dimensions, I could select the reference, select that, select another reference, select there, and then OK. Now again, to shell it, I'm going to select all of these faces. And there. And if we want to export for 3D printing, we just select the body that we want to export, right click, save as STL, cancel. Alright, for my second example, I will make a jug using a different set of features. But again, I will need to first create a sketch. Use a line. Add some fillets in here. And with Revolve, we can take this profile we created, select an axis, which will just be the center line there, and there we go. And again, to shell it, we'll make it like that. Or another way to do it would be to just modify the sketch. Delete that and offset. There we go. But I don't want that line either, nor that line. And I want to make sure that it's connected here and up here. I don't really care if it's not parallel, perpendicular. And there. Let's make this offset a little bit bigger. And another feature that we can use is sweep. It needs a profile and a path. So to make a profile, I first need to make a plane that's roughly on the face here. Okay, and then use that to make a sketch. And then we need a path. Sketch again. Just a series of lines. Make sure that it goes into the model. Add some fillets. And use sweep. Profile is this. Path is this. And we want to join. Make sure that it's not interfering inside here. Okay, and we have a handle. Perhaps an upside down handle. Anyway, there's some quick guidelines to how to use some CAD. And I hope you have fun, and I will perhaps do some more videos on going into more depth into these features. I almost forgot to mention that not only is Fusion 360 a great program to design with, it's also free for hobbyists, and I'll provide the link below.